Fans of 1000 LB sisters are buzzing with questions after recent developments sparked rumors that the once inseparable sisters, Amy and Tammy Slaton, may have had a major falling out following the latest season of their hit reality show. While the show has chronicled their intense journey through extreme weight loss, personal transformations, relationships, and family chaos, what's truly catching viewers off guard now is the apparent silence and distance between the sisters off screen. Did the sisters who once said they'd never abandon each other finally hit a breaking point? Or is the media frenzy blowing things out of proportion? The Slaton sisters have captivated audiences with their brutally honest portrayals of life in rural Kentucky. Amy, the younger and more playful of the two, initially came across as the bubbly caretaker of Tammy, who had long struggled with immobility, food addiction, and health problems. Tammy, on the other hand, was known for her fiery temper, her frustration with dependency, and her emotional outbursts. Underneath it all, fans saw a woman in pain desperately trying to change her life. Their bond, though often tested by stress, misunderstandings, and outside interference, was the emotional anchor of the show. But something has shifted since the cameras stopped rolling, and fans are desperate to understand what happened. The earliest signs of tension started to surface on social media. Amy's posts, once full of shout-outs to her sister or shared moments from their filming days, began to shift toward solo content featuring her two sons and her new relationship with fiancé Brian. Meanwhile, Tammy, who has undergone a dramatic transformation both physically and mentally, began focusing on her independence, personal growth, and recovery. In a stark contrast to their earlier dynamic, there were fewer and fewer photos of the sisters together, and they no longer interacted as playfully in comments or live streams. The once daily exchanges were now non-existent. This didn't go unnoticed by their massive fan base. Online forums exploded with speculation. Some believed Tammy was feeling abandoned after Amy found love and stability in her new home and life. Others speculated that Amy had grown exhausted trying to support Tammy for so long, and with two young children to raise, she decided to focus inward. Then there were rumors that a financial rift had driven them apart, especially as both sisters started pursuing individual ventures, brand deals, and opportunities outside the TLC spotlight. Another layer to the fallout theory stems from their post-show press interviews, or lack thereof. During promotional rounds for the most recent season, Amy appeared alone or with her children while Tammy was conspicuously absent. When asked about her sister, Amy gave brief, generic responses. "She's doing her own thing now," she said in one interview, while in another she remarked, "We both got a lot going on." Meanwhile, Tammy, when prompted by fans during a TikTok live session, simply shrugged and said, "I don't talk about family stuff online." The dismissiveness wasn't lost on viewers, who were used to seeing the sisters defend and support each other even in their darkest moments. Behind the scenes, production insiders have reportedly hinted at major disagreements during filming that were edited out for the sake of One anonymous crew member claimed that by the final week of shooting, Tammy and Amy were barely speaking. There were days when the girls refused to film together, the source claimed. Producers had to rearrange schedules, change locations, and keep the peace. It got tense. The insider added that the sisters had different visions for how they wanted their stories portrayed, especially as they both began to evolve into individual personalities rather than a duo. Tammy wants to be seen as strong, not pitied, the source said, and Amy's tired of being seen as just a caregiver. Family dynamics also played a significant role in the rumored rift. Chris Combs, their brother who had once been a neutral peacemaker, has reportedly taken a step back from both sisters following disagreements over public comments and show-related pressure. Amanda, their sister, also went quiet online, adding more fuel to the fire. Could it be that after years of shared struggles, filming pressure, and constant scrutiny, the Slaton family finally cracked under the weight? Still, some fans argue that the fallout rumors are just that, rumors. They believe the sisters are simply growing up, healing, and trying to protect their peace away from public judgment. After all, the last few years have been overwhelmingly emotional. Amy dealt with a high-profile divorce, postpartum depression, and the pressure of single motherhood. Tammy nearly died before finally qualifying for and undergoing weight loss surgery. The mental and emotional toll of these changes could understandably lead to a temporary pause in communication. Adding another twist to the story is the question of whether the Slayton sisters will return for another season. TLC has remained quiet on the future of 1000 LB Sisters, and neither Amy nor Tammy has confirmed any filming activity. In fact, several fans claim they spotted Amy with her kids in a different state, possibly suggesting a move away from Kentucky. If true, the physical distance could be a major factor in their current lack of communication. As one fan noted, they might not be beefing. They might just be healing separately. Yet even amidst the silence, some signs point to unresolved tension. Tammy recently liked a cryptic quote on Instagram that read, "Sometimes the people who are supposed to love you the most hurt you the deepest." Fans were quick to interpret this as a subtle dig at Amy. On the other side, Amy shared a TikTok set to a song about doing it all alone and not needing anyone to survive. These kinds of posts, vague and emotional, are often what set the internet ablaze, and for a family that's lived in the bubble. ICI for so long, every click, like, and share sends a message. Whether the sisters are in a full-blown feud or simply taking space to rediscover themselves outside of their codependent dynamic, the story has clearly struck a chord with viewers. People aren't just curious, they're emotionally invested. The Slayton sisters represent something deeper: the beauty and chaos of family, the pain of breaking generational cycles, and the difficulty of loving someone through their worst moments. Watching their relationship evolve is not just about drama, it's about resilience, change, and sometimes, painful growth. There's still hope among fans that this isn't the end. Many are rooting for a powerful comeback, a reconciliation episode, or even just a candid Instagram live where the sisters at the record straight. After all, if there's one thing the Slaytons have proven time and again, it's that they're survivors. They've battled addiction, illness, heartbreak, internet trolls, and the harsh reality of fame. A sibling rift, no matter how intense, might just be another chapter in their ongoing story. For now, the future remains uncertain. Will Amy and Tammy reunite publicly? Will TLC renew 1000 LB Sisters and bring them back together on screen? Or will they continue walking their separate paths, finding healing in solitude instead of shared struggle? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the world will be watching. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.